bad. But this is from Temp Tations. And yes, you could absolutely use these to prop up your tacos and load them up for Taco Tuesday. But what about the rest of the days? Well, you could use this to sort mail. You could use it to bring utensils to the table. You could use this for so many things like organizing in your pantry. It is stoneware, and I've got Old World and Floral lace. This is Old World gray, and we've got floral lace next to it. But I'm going to start with the colors in this Old World first. So I do have it for you in blue. I also have it available for you in confetti. Next is eggplant, and then the gray that I have here with me on set. Now, here's an update. In the Old World pattern, in the confetti, I have 100 left. 4 dozen in the gray, 2 dozen in the blue, and 2 dozen in the eggplant. Now, as we queue up the floral lace, which is here, I wanted to talk about, okay, I'll stop it, the price tag, because it is the first day at this lower price. You are getting one of the taco holders for $17.52 on a clearance price. Because clearance prices are on 5 easy payments, it's 5 easy payments of $3.50. Let's talk floral lace. That's where you get that solid color in blue, 450 in blue. I have eggplant, 100 remain there. Then I've got green, 100 in green, and in gray, 150 in gray. And the ever popular light blue, I don't know if I'm ready. We have 12 left. Hi, multi-million homes in America. We have 12 left in the light blue. Please don't wait on the light blue. And also, let's not wait on bringing in Lisa Lasorte, who is the Vice President of Merchandising and Broadcasting for Temp Tations, joining us live with a very natty hat on today to celebrate the unofficial kickoff of summer. My friend, this is so cool. We love it for Taco Tuesday, but it's so much more than that, too.
It is so much more than that, because not only does it hold tacos and does it hold mail and silverware and things like that, Mary, but it's oven safe to 500 degrees. So what that means is anything that you're putting in here can be kept warm in the stove or put in the microwave, which is amazing in itself. I love the easy handles on the side with the little holes on each side. And then you see these 4 separate compartments right here to fill with whatever you need. And if you have not embraced Taco Tuesday, you need to get on the bandwagon and embrace it, because it is, you know why it's so great, Mary? Because you pair it with a margarita or a beer. So come on, right? Sorry. Anyway.
Somebody take my money. Somebody just here, swipe this. I'm taking this one home. Because that's
exactly.
If we're not having fun at the table from this moment on, we need to regroup, because this is one of those things that you look in your pantry, you look in your cabinet, you go, yeah, let's use this tonight. Let's make this some fun. Oh, you've already cooked. What have you got in your hands?
We have enchiladas right here. So here's the thing. Whenever you do like a wrap, an enchilada, it's so hard to keep it together. You know when you get one for takeout and you're like, how did they do that? Like, where do you start rolling it? I don't understand. This makes it easy breezy for you. So you literally put the empty wrap right here, taco shell, whatever it is, and then you start to fill it. But you know what I did? I put it in the oven so that I could keep it nice and crispy and melty cheese. And here's what I love about it. This is what I was talking about, Mary. Do you see how perfectly it holds the shells? If you don't put them in here, you know how sometimes they break in your hand or whatever?
Yeah.
Watch how easy it is now, literally just to fill and make a taco. And Mary, wait, I have a tip that you might use or not use. I have what are you talking about? Yes, I know. Put your cheese in first and then put your hot ground beef, ground chicken, and it melts automatically. I'm big about the melted cheese.
I need somebody to talk to Lisa and tell her that she's a genius. She's an absolute taco genius.
I'm sorry, Lisa's right here.
Somebody's tuning in right now and they're going, hey guys, they've officially lost it in QVC too. You know what I see here is all kinds of possibilities. You could do paninis in here. What about cannoli in here? I mean, there are lots of things that you could use it for. You could use it for stuffing manicotti. You could use it for hot dogs. I mean, all kinds of things. Get it home, get creative, but let us show you what we have available. So in Old World, It's pretty popular in the show today. We have 2 dozen in blue in the old world,
Ooh.
3 dozen in eggplant, 100 in confetti, and 4 dozen in the gray. Okay. We also have floral lace, which I have in my hands here, and you can see the difference. At the very end of the old world, it's got the cream background, but in the floral lace, you get more of a solid color if that's what you're looking for. Let's see those colors now. 450 in blue. We have 100 in the eggplant, 100 in green, 150 in gray. Oh, light blue is gone. Oh, dear. Okay. First day at this lower price, $17.52 gets one of them home. 5 easy payments. Ready? $3.50. I'm seeing people in the chat, though, say that they use this for mail in their office space or on their desk. Oh, hello.
Oh, hello. See, we talked on the taco phone, and now we're good to go. It's like the bat phone, Mary. Here's what I love about this. I literally have one of these on my desk, and I keep like all my important bills, like this gets paid this day. It goes a level of importance 1 through 4. But this is one of those key pieces that you get in your home. I want to share how my mom uses it. She literally puts either her toast or her bagels in here and lines them up, puts it on a board, has some butter and jam, and all of a sudden, like now that people are coming over, like I go see my mom now, it just is a little more of an upscale look to organize your food and make it really presentable.
Well, and it's nice, too, because it keeps it from sticking together. The other thing, too, let us not forget, and hang with me for a second.
Lettuce?
It's
I get it.
Get it? It's stoneware. And so
Yeah.
it is dishwasher safe. It's microwave safe. It's refrigerator safe. It's oven safe to 500 degrees. It's freezer safe. So I want you to think about, maybe you make some of those sandwich cookies with ice cream in the middle and you want to freeze them for serving later. So when you assemble them in your kitchen, you can stand them up this way and then leave this in your freezer. Now it's going to help keep them cold for a little bit longer. So this is about the creativity. That's what Temptations has done for all of us. This is the old world. This is the floral lace, and we have updates for you. Old world, last call, all colors. 100 left total. Okay. And then we have floral lace available too. The light blue in the floral lace already gone. We've got lots of great colors in the floral lace. Blue, blue, gray, green, and eggplant. But it's the first day presented at the lower price. 5 easy payments of $3.50. Now, Lisa is not going anywhere. As we wrap up on the taco holder, she's going to be bringing us a great food carrier next. But let your creativity be your guide in the world of Temptations. It is a beloved brand for us here at QVC for more than 19 years, and 21 million sets of Temptations have been sold here at QVC. So when you look at these accompanying pieces and you see a clearance price, it means there's no reorder. So pick them up when we've got them. Now, you can head on over to